Hello everyone, welcome to the course on Python for Mechanical Engineers and Robotics using ChatGPT. I am Chintan Morsia, your instructor, and I will be guiding you through this course using different modules to understand the use of Python in the field of mechanical engineering. Python, as many of you may already know, is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language. Today, we will dive into why the Python has become an essential tool for modern mechanical engineers and explore its numerous applications in this field. Python is high-level, interpreted, interactive, and object-oriented scripting language. Python is designed to be highly readable. It uses English keywords frequently, whereas other languages use punctuations. And it has fewer syntactical constructions than other languages. Why these all are the advantages, we will understand in our further sessions. Python is an open source and cross-platform programming language. It is available for use under Python Software Foundation license. And it is available on all the major operating system platforms like Linux, Windows, and Mac. To facilitate new features and to maintain that readability, the Python enhancement proposal process was developed. This process allows anyone to submit a PEP for a new feature, library, or other addition. The design philosophy of Python emphasizes on simplicity, readability, and unambiguity. Python is known for its batteries included approach, as Python software is distributed with a comprehensive standard library of functions and modules. Python supports imperative, structured, as well as object-oriented programming methodologies, as we already discussed. Python code style is actually more of a design philosophy and suggests to write a code which is clean, simple, beautiful, explicit, and readable. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in the late 90s and in early 90s at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. Now let us discuss the important features of the Python. Python is evolving every day, where now the Python 3.x is receiving regular updates. Python's developer community is focusing on performance improvements, making it more efficient while retaining its ease of use. The first feature is the Python is interpreted. Python is processed at runtime by the interpreter. Here you do not need to compile your program before executing it. Python converts the source code to bytecode using the interpreter and then executes the bytecode using the Python virtual machine, which translates it into the machine code instructions for the processors to execute. As we already know, computer can only understand the binary language, that is the 0 and 1. So to get it converted into the machine code, the Python virtual machine is provided. Python language is interactive, as you can actually sit at a Python prompt and interact with the interpreter directly to write your programs. Python is object-oriented. That means Python supports object-oriented style or technique of programming that encapsulates code within objects. The meaning of object-oriented is you may see any physical entity, it may be a living or non-living, nearer to your environment. You can convert each entity into the different variables, methods, and the functions using this concept of object-oriented language. How this object-oriented language is useful, that again we will understand in our further sessions. Python is the greatest language for the beginner level programmers and supports the development of wide range of applications from simple text processing to browsers to the games. Python is being heavily used for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. So for sure, its future remains bright. Its role in these rapidly growing fields ensures that Python will stay relevant for further years. Python is also increasingly becoming the first programming language taught in the schools and universities worldwide. So it solidifies its place in the tech landscape. So I hope you got the idea that how important to understand the Python language is, not only with the perspective of mechanical engineering, but with the perspective of the current development. We must need to have the knowledge of any of the best used programming language in the current market era. In our next session, we will also understand the significance of Python in the mechanical engineering field. Looking forward to see you all in our further session. Till then, thank you.